Task C 5.1.2. Locate all first aid box on board your vessel. So where you will find the list of the first aid box to be kept. It is not mentioned anywhere in the SOLAS or any regulation. It is depend upon your company SMS to SMS. So basically the first aid box will be stored in all places where the chemicals are storage, where the hazardous materials are storage. For example, on the bridge and ECR, the first aid box is compulsory, and from in the SIPS office also. These three places first aid box are compulsory: bridge, SIPS office and ECR. Apart from that, you have the galley. Galley must have the first aid kit because they are cooking, they are cutting the vegetables every day, so they are on the high exposed where the first aid kit may require. So apart from bridge, SIPS office and ECR, you must have the first aid kit located in the galley. Apart from galley, forward store where the chemicals are located, in the paint store where the paints are located, in the steering flat, because steering flat also some grease and chemicals are located, and the last one is the battery room. So battery room also must have the first aid kit. So all we have discussed about 7 places. Every monthly you have to check the content of the first aid kit. So we will check what all content are there. It is standard as per the International Medical Guide. So you have a checklist of band-aid, then some wool and cotton, like this. All the items, whatever is there, it is mentioned like this. Okay, eye wash, then some dressing equipment, some cotton, then triangular bandage, so safety pins. So like this, all the basic equipments which is required in a day-to-day life. For example, I am going outside, some rust particle fall in my eye, I will just come to the SIPS office, put eye wash and clear that rust particle. So in this way we have to maintain. It is normally the duty of the second officer or maybe the duty of the third officer, depend upon your company SMS. So basically the first aid kit should be located in the 7 places: bridge, SIPS office, ECR, galley, paint store, chemical store, forward and aft, and the battery room. And the content should follow the International Medical Guide. All the list is mentioned there. Make sure you have all the items, otherwise PSC will catch you.